This is your Fox 10 News Now update.
Hi, I'm Lee Peck with your Fox 10 News Now update. We're following some breaking news this morning. A White House official tells Fox News that Mark Meadows is the latest White House official to be diagnosed with COVID-19. At least 4 other White House aides are reported to have the virus as well. Meadows was at President Trump's campaign headquarters in Arlington, Virginia, Tuesday, along with other staffers, and was not wearing a mask. Meadows was also with the president during his final campaign swing before Election Tuesday. The White House is expected to conduct contact tracing to determine who may have had contact with Meadows. The development coming as a new one-day record set for U.S. coronavirus cases, with about 118,000 cases reported. Well, as of now, there's no COVID-19 vaccine that's ready, but some drug companies say they're close to getting one out to the public. In anticipation of its availability, the Alabama Department of Public Health releasing this 48-page plan on Friday. In it, it outlines a phased distribution, how it will be stored, and safety monitoring. When a shot is available, of health care workers and first responders will be among the first to be offered it.
Planning for mass vaccination is not something that Alabama or any other state is not familiar with. I mean, we are regularly involved in planning for events such as this that, we hope will not happen.
The end goal is to get everyone a shot, but that may be an uphill battle. A Gallup poll released last month shows just half of the U.S. is willing to get an FDA-backed COVID-19 vaccine. There are nearly a dozen vaccines that are in the final phase of testing, but before any can be approved in the U.S., the FDA says data must show it protects at least 50% of those who get it. The vaccine would be free when it's available. There's a lot to this plan. If you want to read it, it's on our website, fox10tv.com. Well, many people want to know, what impact will COVID-19 have on Mardi Gras this year? As it stands right now, the Boom Boom's 2021 future is up in the air. Some organizations like the Polka Dots and Stripers going ahead and canceling the festivities, while others tell Fox 10 News the good times will roll just very differently.
We're going to follow the guidelines that the city and the county mandates to us, and also the state, as far as what we can do as far as having a safe, Mardi Gras. And I think we can do it. We're mobile. We've made many things happen, so I think we can do it. Just we had to get our mind wrapped around a little something different this year.
The Mobile Carnival Association in agreement, sending us this statement. Most Mardi Gras organizations are forging ahead with their plans. It's still too soon to determine how Carnival will unfold this year, and the look and feel of Mardi Gras celebrations will probably be different from previous years. One thing that is for sure, Mobilians always find a way to celebrate Mardi Gras. A spokesman for the city of Mobile tells us the mayor is working out Mardi Gras plans with the various organizations, but at this point, they don't have a definitive statement to release. Well, the Better Business Bureau is warning people not to fall for fake coronavirus studies. According to the BBB, scammers are sending out text messages promoting fake clinical trials. The emails claim the study pays upwards of $1,000. All you have to do is click on the link to take part, but once you click on the link, the BBB says malware downloads onto your computer or mobile device. Scammers use the malware to access your usernames, passwords, and other personal information. Even if the link takes you to a website, it may be a real clinical trial, especially if they ask for personal information like government ID or bank account numbers. The BBB explains that real medical researchers would never ask for that kind of information during a screening.
All right, it may be November, but we are still tracking tropical systems. This one, of course, is Eta. It's out there in the northwestern Caribbean, winds of 35 miles per hour. It makes a tropical depression at this point, but is anticipated as it moves east-northeast up towards Cuba to become a tropical storm at some point again this weekend. So that'll likely happen. It's likely to make its way over Cuba, South Florida, and the Florida Keys. We'll see some impacts from this. And then after that, you can see how wide the forecast cone goes from the central Gulf all the way over towards the west coast of Florida. So it's a really big spread because there's a lot of question marks here towards the end of this thing. Front that's going to be sliding on down, that's going to pick it up and then carry it off to the north and east. It's just a matter of where that happens. Does it get close enough to us before we have any impacts? It doesn't look like that's going to happen. but it's 2020, so leave that door open. Just have to keep checking every once in a while, but it looks like it's more of going to be a Florida event there with that system. There has been some rain to the west of us, part of an upper level disturbance. There'll be some more of that here as we go through the day, so a few showers are going to be possible, mainly late in the day. Otherwise, it'll be cloudy, it's just sort of humid, but yeah, you can see by the evening time, decent chance of getting at least a few showers around. Here's what it looks like through the day, so those clouds thickening on up, some showers possible towards the evening. Highs will be in the upper 70s. How about the rest of the upcoming week? Well, as we look at the weekend, I mean, we have a couple of showers possible on Sunday, staying in the upper 70s and fairly humid. There's Veterans Day on Wednesday. Looks pretty good, but it will be warm.
Stay tuned to Fox 10 News throughout the day for the latest updates. This has been your Fox 10 News Now update.